Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a game changer for modern kitchens. If you have been struggling with a cramped kitchen layout or the nightmare of installing overhead ductwork for a range hood, this 30-inch electric cooktop with a built-in ductless downdraft system might just be the solution you have been waiting for. This unit is a 2-in-1 powerhouse that combines a high-performance electric ceramic cooktop with a 135-watt downdraft range hood. Right away, the biggest standout feature is the ductless design. You do not need any exhaust pipes. It uses an internal recirculation system to pull in cooking fumes and release clean air back into your kitchen. This is a massive win for those living in apartments or homes where running external ductwork is either impossible or just too expensive. Let us talk about performance. You are getting a total of 7,400 watts of power. That is serious heat. It features a dual-ring burner that offers great flexibility, jumping between 1100 and 2300 watts depending on what you are cooking. Plus there is a bridge barbecue burner that hits 3900 watts. That is perfect for large griddles or oversized pots. Because it uses ceramic heating technology, it is compatible with almost any flat-bottomed pan you already own, whether it is stainless steel, aluminum, ceramic, or glass. You do not have to throw away your favorite cookware to upgrade your stove. Installation is also much more forgiving than standard units. The required cutout size is flexible, which makes swapping out an old stove for this one much easier for the average home improvement enthusiast. It fits into standard 30-inch cabinet openings, and the safety features are well thought out. You get a reliable child lock, a built-in timer for precision cooking, and a pause function, which is a lifesaver if you have to step away from the stove for a quick second. Now, for the pros and cons. On the pro side, the space-saving factor is unmatched. You eliminate the need for an ugly, bulky range hood overhead, which gives your kitchen a sleek, minimalist, and high-end aesthetic. The lack of ductwork simplifies everything, and the heating power is more than enough for professional-level searing or boiling. On the flip side, keep in mind that this is a 220-volt hardwired unit. You will need a professional electrician to set this up properly to ensure it is safe and up to code. Also, because it is a ductless system, you will need to be mindful of keeping those filters clean to maintain the best air quality in your kitchen over time. In conclusion, if you are looking to modernize your kitchen, save space, and move away from traditional overhead hoods, this is an excellent choice. It is efficient, powerful, and incredibly convenient for the modern home chef. If you want to check the current pricing or see if it fits your specific cabinet dimensions, you can find more information. Link in the description.